Hello. What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
Jenny, how old are you?
I'm 9.
Okay. What class are you in? What class are you in? Okay. What is your school's name? What is your school's name?
My school name trường Kiệt ơi, Đoàn Kết.
Okay, Đoàn Kết Primary School. What's your favorite toy?
My favorite toy is a dog.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Okay, thank you. Now can you tell me, would you like chicken? Would you like chicken?
Yes, please.
Would you like bubble tea?
Yes, please.
Would you like fries?
No thanks.
Okay, would you like fries or pizza?
I would like pizza.
Would you like pizza or noodles?
I would like noodle.
Would you like noodles or chicken?
I would like noodle.
Okay, thank you. And now look at a picture and tell me, what does he like?
He like guy and chicken. Ủa,
Yes,
3 cái đúng không?
yes.
And milk.
Milk.
And milk.
And what does she like?
She like guy and noodle.
Okay, thank you.